Welcome to my channel newly named Easy Learning. As you know, I was representing a channel named Knowledge Hunt. Now from 12/08/2020, that means 12th August 2020, my channel is newly named Easy Learning. Welcome to all students of class 10. Today I am describing a phenomenon about chemistry and specifically organic chemistry. We know that the compounds we are studying in organic chemistry, that is hydrocarbons. Now hydrocarbons are classified into two groups, that is saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now firstly we are discussing about the saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons are called alkane. Please see the last three letters of this word is ANE and N. That means when you are pronouncing the hydrocarbon which are saturated, always the last or the end of the compound will be ANE is pronounced. Now the general formula for saturated hydrocarbon CnH2n plus 2. I am explaining the matter now. When n equal to 1, that means C1H2 into 1 plus 2, that means 2 plus 2 4. That is CH4. The new compound is named CH4, which is the simplest alkane. Group. First compound of simplest alkane. This is called methane. Please see this letter ANE, that means the last three letters of this compound is ANE. This is methane. Now the formula of methane according to structural way I have drawn this figure. Now see, this is single bond compound. When n equal to 2, next C2H6, next when n equal to 3, C3H8, when n equal to 4, C4H10. Please see, the last three letters of all these compounds are completed with ANE. That is ethane, propane, butane. All are pronounced at the last three letters are N. These are called alkane. Now we are going to the other section, that is unsaturated hydrocarbons, which are classified into two groups. One is alkene and other group is alkyne. Simultaneously, the last three letters of these compounds will be pronounced as ENEN and INE. Like that, the general formula of alkene is CnH2n and general formula of alkyne CnH2n minus 2. For example, I have drawn a figure of ethene. Please see, ethene. When n equal to 2, the formula becomes C2H4 and its structural formula is this C2H4. Here see, this is double bond. This double bond, you will see these double bond are unsaturated hydrocarbons, and single bond that I have previously told you, that is saturated hydrocarbons, single bond. Now according to value n equal to 3 we put, then we get C3H6, that is called propene, and N4 when n equal to 4, then the compound becomes C4H8, that is butene. All is pronounced as alkene. Next we are going to the alkyne. First member of alkyne group is ethane, which you commonly name as acetylene. The acetylene gas is named as per IUPAC system, ethane. Now here see the formula C2H2 and its structure formula is given by that formula C triple bond H. This triple bond also in the same portion of unsaturated compound. Now put n equal to 3, then you will get C3H4, that is called propyne. When you put n equal to 4, you will get the formula C4H6, which is called butane. That means these last three letters Ain. So, now in the gist, I am summarize the matter. When the hydrocarbons are formed by single bond, they are called alkane and they are saturated. That is methane, ethane, propane, butane. And when double bond, then they are called alkene. That is unsaturated, like ethene, propene, butane. And when triple bond, that is alkyne, ethine, propyne, butane. Last two out of these are called unsaturated, and first the single bond compounds are called saturated. So I again repeat you to watch my channel, and my newly named channel is Easy Learning, as because I am trying to comprehend you easily the matter so easily that you can grab it. And also I again ask you and invite you to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon for notification, and also put your comments and likes in comment box. I will come again with a new video on mathematics or maybe it physical science or chemistry. तब तक आप ठीक रहिए. I hope you will be fine, as because the pandemic situation is not good. So your online class and these types of video you should watch, and also you should share to all your friends so that they will be benefited by such kind of video seeing. Okay, thank you. Good night on 12/8, that is August 12th, 2020. I will come back soon. Thank you very much for watching my videos.